Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a HTTP error code 405 in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Select see all say data and permissions and search for the site you getting this error and select the trash icon and select delete option and select the extensions on the left. Turn off all the extensions you have and now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to search Chrome Web Store, press enter, select the first site, search VPN and press enter. Select the first VPN and select add to Chrome. Select add extension. After the VPN get added, just need to click on the puzzle icon and select the VPN. Say continue, start, turn on the VPN. After getting connected, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to change the browser. You can use Edge as an alternative to Chrome. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.